What's up, everybody? So I had some stuff filmed just barely a minute ago, but I deleted it because it wasn't very good. But anyways, I've got it to a point now where we're gonna pull these seats out. We still gotta do some cleaning in here, but we're making progress here. So we're gonna pull these seats out. I've already got all the bolts out of everything. So now we just need to pull the seats out. Now, there is a little bit of mouse poop in here. I think there was a mouse living in here. I don't know if it's still living in here, but one day I was in the backyard and I opened the hood and I seen a mouse scurry through the motor here. And I believe somewhere up in there, that little hole, there's a hole from, I think, the heat, something. Anyways, that, it like ran in there. So, anyways, I don't like mice. In fact, I dislike them a lot. But we're gonna pull the seats out here real quick and yeah, give you an explanation on kind of what we're gonna do with the interior here. So stay tuned. Gross. So, I don't know where this truck was stored at prior to me getting it, but there's definitely been some rodents in here. So I guess we'll get the mask and the shop vac and try to get that crap out of here. Which is funny because to me, I would have expected more like mice to be like, you know, tearing up this foam real good and stuff, but it doesn't look like that's the case. So that's good, right? That one's in pretty good shape as far as, like I said, the vinyl, the seat, that foam on the seat's not too bad except for up here. So anyways, we're gonna get all that redone. So now it's time for the front. I'm gonna move some of this stuff out of the way. Well, folks, all right, so check this out. We got the seats out and they are, yeah. This is really disgusting. So we're gonna get this carpet pulled out. There's so much stuff in there. I don't know if I'm gonna vacuum it out versus I think I'm just gonna try to tear this carpet out. I'll have to pull these seatbelt things off. Figure out how those come off. And then, you know, obviously maybe pull this trim off, get that carpet out. But it's kind of disgusting. That's what happens, I guess, when you get trucks that are pretty old. And it's got this like old tar stuff down here. I think it's an old what you call it, like a barrier type deal. And there's some holes up here in the floor. They're not horrible, but there are some spots that are kind of getting rusted out. So I think I'm gonna clean this stuff really good, and then I may actually just, I don't know, we'll figure it out. I know you can buy kits for this, carpet kits and insulation kits, and I was looking on LMC Truck. They're really not that much money, so stay tuned. I'm gonna figure out what to do here, but honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do this today or just do that tomorrow morning. What's up, folks? We're back. So I sprayed this down with a bleach, like a bleach solution, but cut the carpet, try to pull all this stuff out. I know it's kind of like shaped like that, but yeah, I was researching and they said not to vacuum this stuff up. So we sprayed it. I'm gonna take out these little bolts here and then move to the other side and just kind of do some cleanups. There's still a little bit there. It told me not to vacuum it up. Maybe I'll just get a wet paper towel and dab it up. But yeah, I hate mouse. All right, folks, check this out. We cleaned it up pretty good. So I gotta come in. I'm gonna get some degreaser. I don't know what this stuff is, but we're gonna clean this out. I'm gonna wait on the headliner for right now, but we're gonna come in, clean this door up, kind of clean some of this stuff, and then once we get it all electrical rewired, we're gonna pull the dash off. I most likely am gonna buy a new dash because we're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So we're gonna get a new dash. We're gonna try to get some stuff under here because it looks like the mice have kind of still been up underneath there, but we got it cleaned out pretty good. Now we're just gonna do some cleanup, and then we're just kind of still waiting on a timeline for my mechanic to haul this down and get the electrical replaced. So I still got to hook up the steering, but the seat guy, he says he's waiting on some stuff, so stay tuned. We're gonna get that. We'll show you that. I don't know if we're gonna show you that in this video here, but yeah, we might call this a video, so I can get a video out for you guys and, you know, myself. I mean, I don't like to make them too long, but we got everything cleaned up. We're good to go. Next up, electrical. Get the thing fired up, get it running, and then we're gonna go through and check for leaks. I know there's a little leak, but we got to put a radiator on. There's still a bunch of stuff to do, but not too much that we can't handle it, and that should be on the road soon. The biggest hurdle I have right now is basically my mechanic. He's a good dude, and he's busy, so we're waiting on him at this point to get the electrical done, and then we'll bring it back here. We'll try to finish it up, get it done, ready, roadworthy, get it so we can, you know, putt around, check it out. So anyways, thanks for watching. We're gonna end this video here. Make sure to check out some Bucked Up, some Auxito light bulbs. Go get you some Auxito light bulbs. LEDs, they're nice. And then Amazon, just thanks for everyone who clicks on the Amazon links, buys stuff, helps us out. But thanks for watching. Have a good day. And man, it's almost springtime. So for those of you interested in some lawn care stuff, check out the Bad Grass Dudes. We're going to start posting more there too. So stay tuned. 2025 is going to be a good year. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way